Yes, sir. If you're watching this video, the universe sent you here for a reason. The universe clearly wants you to know how to sun gaze, and luckily for you, by the end of this video, I'll teach you exactly how to sun gaze, all the benefits of sun gazing, and pretty much everything you need to know for a beginner. And maybe one day, you might actually boss up and be at the level that I'm at right now. So it's summertime right now, sun's out, you already know what that means, sun gazing season, and I'm about to tell you guys exactly how to sun gaze without screwing yourself permanently. So before I mention all the benefits and how to sun gaze properly, I just want to start off by saying people really are out here thinking that staring at the sun is bad for you, or that the sun is bad for you in general. I'm gonna be honest, all the bad things that they say, quote unquote, happens to you if you stay out in the sun for too long, it's not the sun causing that. It's the sun blockers and the sunscreens. I'm gonna be honest, that's where it's really coming from. A lot of you guys don't know this, but literally the U.S. Army and military are not even allowed to use sunscreen and sun blockers because the U.S. military knows how bad those things are for them, and they want to keep their soldiers alive long enough to help in the wars. And for all the people that believe staring at the sun makes you go blind, that's cap. I've been staring at the sun for over a year now with my direct eyesight, and I haven't gone blind yet. If anything, my vision has gotten better. But listen, if you're one of those people that's actually worried about going blind, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to still sun gaze without staring directly at the sun, so you have no risk of going blind if that's something you're worried about. But you got to stay till the end of the video for that tip. And for anyone who still doesn't believe that the sun isn't bad for you, all right, explain to me how the sun could be bad for you when the sun is literally the only thing keeping us alive right now. It is the main thing keeping us alive. Without the sun, there would literally be nothing. We wouldn't even be on this planet. So how could something that is literally keeping us alive, if the sun was literally to move an inch forwards, we would burn, we'd all become bacon. If the sun was to literally move an inch backwards, we would all be ice cubes. So how is the sun literally causing all these quote unquote health problems when it is the main thing keeping us alive on this planet? Someone please let me know how it's so dangerous if it's literally keeping us alive. And it is literally the creator of life. No plants will live without the sun. Literally, that is plants' food. That is how plants get food. That is how humans can get food too. You literally get energy from the sun, which that's one of the benefits I'll talk about later on. But how is it causing all these quote-unquote problems if it literally is giving us life? That makes no sense. That literally doesn't make any sense to me. Without the sun, this planet would literally be empty. It would just be a floating ball like the rest of the planets. So explain to me how that's even possible right now. So since no one's going to be able to debunk that in the comments, so now that we got that out the way, let's talk about all the benefits. All right, so tip number one, like I said earlier, is you could literally turn the sun into pure energy. I mean, plants turn the sun into food literally every single day. So why can't humans turn it into energy? And I mean, for those who don't know, plants and humans are actually more similar than you think. For those who are unaware, plants are literally alive. They're literally conscious. They literally know exactly what's going on. Just because they can't speak and do things like humans can, doesn't mean they're not alive. Literally, if you take an apple seed, it could grow into a whole apple tree. So how is that not alive? Literally, it's alive. It's literally aware. It's conscious. It can literally grow, just like plants. All this greenery around me is literally all alive. If I was to start saying negative things to these plants, they would start shriveling up and dying. You know why? Because they're alive. They're conscious. They know the words that I'm saying to them. They're literally alive, just like humans. Plants and humans are way more similar than people realize. So that's benefit number one. Gives you pure energy. Benefit number two, sun gazing will literally put you in a better mood. I don't know how many guys realize this, but more people are happier and overall just in a better, joyful mood during the summer seasons and warmer seasons rather than like winter time. And there's literally scientific research backing that the sun makes people more happier. I know I realize it. If it's like a rainy day, I'm not in the same joyful mood that I would be if it was a nice warm day like today. Literally, the sun brings better mood. And let's get on to tip number three. Tip number three is it helps decalcify your pineal gland. Now, if you don't know what your pineal gland is, it's your third eye. I'm sure everyone's heard of that term at least once in their life. Now, everyone seems to be so interested in how to open their third eye, so start sun gazing. It'll literally help remove whatever's blocking it, as long as you're not, consuming things that are going to continually block it. But that's for a whole other video, what's blocking your pineal gland. So make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications for that. But basically, staring at the sun or just being out in the sun in general literally helps block whatever's blocking that. And there's so many benefits to to opening your pineal gland and decalcifying whatever's blocking it. And I'll make sure to mention those in a later video. But let's get on to tip number four. Tip number four, believe it or not, is it actually helps you sleep better at night. Now, the scientific research behind this is, like I said in the earlier tip, it literally helps decalcify your pineal gland. So literally, if you don't know, your pineal gland is actually what produces melatonin. So if you're cleaning your pineal gland from sun gazing, it's gonna improve your melatonin production, therefore helping you sleep better at night, because melatonin is literally what allows you to go to sleep. Tip number 5. Oh yeah, let me not forget one of the most common and well-known benefits of being out in the sun. It is literally the best source of vitamin D. All right, this 6th benefit is going to be my last benefit because I like the number 6 and because I could literally make this video like over an hour long just listing all the benefits of sun gazing because there's just so many of them. So benefit number 6 is it literally boosts your serotonin levels. Now, if you don't know what serotonin is, it's literally the feel-good hormone. So that, like I said in the earlier tips, that's why people be feeling so much better when the sun's out, because it literally is scientifically proven to make you feel better. It is literally increasing your serotonin levels, making you feel better. That's why you can literally be angry, and then you hop out in the sun gaze for like 5-10 minutes. All of a sudden, you're feeling like you're on top of the world. So that's literally 6 benefits right there that should easily compel you to want to start sun gazing. Now that you want to do it, I'm about to tell you guys exactly how to do it safely, properly, and efficiently. Let's get it. All right, so the sun's directly in my eye sockets right now, so I can't exactly see the camera that well, but I'm about to be giving you guys a live demonstration on exactly how to sun gaze for beginners. I'm about to be teaching you guys, this is for literally if you've never done this before in your life, never stared at the sun. I'm literally staring directly at the sun right now with my eyes wide open. Me and the sun are having a staring contest, and I'm winning. But I'm about to be teaching you guys how to do it for beginners. So let's get straight to it. So first, what you want to do is, if you're really a basic beginner, and you really are not trying to risk anything, you're like one of those people that, oh, I can't go blind. You want to start off either when the sun's first rising or when it's setting. So if you're not one of those early birds get the worm type of people and you're not up when the sun's rising, all right, cool. Go when the sun's about to set, whatever time that may be for where you live. And literally, it's so much easier to sun gaze when the sun's setting because the rays aren't as powerful. You know, the sun's about to go down, whatever. So basically, get it while it's good and get it while the sun rays aren't as powerful if you're worried about, you know, being a beginner. And what you want to do is, first you want to start off with closing your eyes. Literally get out in the sun, breathe, close your eyes. And basically you want, what you're doing right now is you're building a relationship with the sun. Because as crazy as this may sound, the sun is alive, it's conscious, just like all these plants around me. Hey, what's up? Just like all the wildlife around me. And basically, what you want to do is you want to become best friends with the sun. Because think about it like this way. The sun is alive, right? Would you want some random weirdo if you're like staring at you? Like, no. Like, you don't want no random weird. You don't want to be walking in the store and there's some random creep is just staring at you. It's the same thing with the sun, bro. The sun doesn't want any random people just staring at her, bro. So you gotta literally build a relationship with the sun. As crazy as this may sound, it's gonna work better, trust me. Me and the sun are literally like, bro, me and the sun are literally hang out every single day. So literally what you want to do is you want to stand right where the sun's hitting you, right? Close your eyes because you're still a beginner, so you want to have your eyes closed. Breathe in. And you want to have your eyes closed and set the intention that you're going to build a good relationship with the sun. Set the intention that you're going to receive all the benefits from the sun. You could literally just set this intention in your mind. You don't even have to say nothing out loud. Set the intention that you're gonna become best friends with the sun. Breathe in, and you want to keep your eyes closed directly at the sun for however long until your whole entire vision. It'll probably start off as black. You want to get your whole entire vision like orange kind of color. Like I see it right now, but obviously you guys don't see it. Basically get your whole entire vision like orange. And then at that point, after like, it should take about 30 seconds to a minute or however long it takes for you, then open your eyes. And you want to start off slow. Now, if you're doing this in the sun rising or setting, I had to make sure I was still recording. If you're doing this later on or earlier when it's rising, this will be really easy because the sun rays are like nothing. Like it's literally like non-existent. Like I'm literally staring directly at the sun right now and nothing. Like I'm just like, wow, what a beautiful ball. I literally can see directly into it. Like I'm staring directly into the ball. But this is literally the secret. This is how you can start off as a beginner and do this for however many days until you feel comfortable trying to do it in the midday time. I reached the point where I could do this midday, and you know it's not as easy to stare directly at it because the rays are you know more, they're stronger, but it's still pretty much easy because I've been doing this for so long now, and I telling you the benefits are legit. I'm telling you from personal experience, the benefits are legit. You could also have the sun calm you down too. If you're like angry and you're one of those people that begin really emotional, the sun can calm you down as well. I'd be sun gazing, I just be feeling so calm. I just don't want to even be bothered. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really can't think of any other tips that you would need to know besides build a relationship and connection with the sun and literally stare directly and literally do that technique. Now, I am going to tell you, your vision might be, once you are done staring at the sun, it is going to take a couple seconds for your vision to adjust. But after like 30 seconds to a minute, that'll literally go away and then your vision will be back to normal, if not better than ever. And actually, while recording this video, I actually looked up the benefits of sun gazing, and literally one of them did say improved eyesight. or eyesight stability, something like that. So literally, even science is saying that it doesn't have any negative effects on your eyes. So stop believing these lies that these fake doctors be trying to tell you, and get some real healing, man. Get some real nature. And that's about this video. This video was just free flying off the dome. Thank you guys for watching this far, if you made it this far already. And listen, if you made it this far, clearly you're rocking my videos. Go ahead and smash the like button. I don't ask for much. It's literally free. It takes like 10 milliseconds. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can easily be notified and be one of the first people to watch my videos. And thank you guys for watching this far. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow because we're on that daily upload grind. Let's get it. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Hey, what's up? I'm in editing mode right now. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier is how long you should be doing it for. Now, if you're someone that gets sunburnt, do it to the point where you feel comfortable. Don't force yourself to get sunburnt, because that's not what we're going for here. If you're someone that gets sunburnt, I don't know, do it for this for like 10, 15 minutes a day, or however long your body can take it. I'm not your body, so I wouldn't know. Now, if you don't get sunburnt like me, then you can literally do this for as long as you feel like it. 10 minutes, 5 minutes. If you're really trying to get the benefits, do it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you have nothing to do all day and you just want to sit out in the sun for hours, by all means, go ahead.